A 5.6 magnitude earthquake struck Saturday morning near Pawnee, Oklahoma, and rattled through at least 6 surrounding states in the U.S. heartland, according to the US Geological Survey. The earthquake was also felt in Kansas, Arkansas, Missouri, Texas, Nebraska, and Iowa, according to US geophysicists. The Oklahoma Corporation Commission, a regulatory agency that examines the state's fuel, oil, gas, public utilities and transportation industries, is reviewing disposal wells in the vicinity of the earthquake near Pawnee, Oklahoma. Governor Mary Fallin said via Twitter. Oklahoma Corporation Commission staff is at the office reviewing disposal wells in the vicinity of the earthquake near Pawnee. Governor Mary Fallin, @Gov Mary Fallin, September 3, 2016. The Oklahoma Department of Transportation is checking bridges for damage and structural engineers are assessing building safety, according to Fallin. The earthquake damaged at least one historic building in Pawnee, Oklahoma, city officials told CNN. It's an old historical building about 100 years old. It's still standing, but some of the outer layers of sandstone fell. It could be cosmetic damage. We don't know yet, said Brad Sewell, City of Pawnee mayor. Tornado pain NEWS 9 # quake damage in Pawnee. pic.twitter.com/IRNSXVCGX1. J. Barry Harrison 3, @Boberye, September 3, 2016. A quake this size would shake for about 15 seconds, and it was a shallow quake, about 7 kilometers (4.35 miles) deep, said Randy Baldwin, a US geophysicist. There is no clear evidence of major damage from the earthquake, Pawnee, Oklahoma Chamber of Commerce manager Tom Briggs told CNN. We had some buildings, some of the older structures, delaminate. The fire department and electricians and police are going through the area, Briggs said. No injuries have been reported. Despite minimal damage, the quake did set off anxious speculation on social media. Wow! Felt the earth move in Rogers, Arkansas. Had to Google to find out what was going on. #earthquake. Carol Langston, @Carol Langston, September 3, 2016. We survived #earthquake 2K16. #forever. We will rebuild. We will press on. pic.twitter.com/Tedelson. Mike Brooks, @Mick Brooks, September 3, 2016. This morning wake-up call brought to by Oklahoma's oil and natural gas industry. Clifton Adcock, @Clifton House, September 3, 2016. A recent report released by the US shows that people in parts of Texas and Oklahoma now face similar ground-shaking risks from human-induced activity, such as fluid injection or extraction, as residents face from natural earthquakes in California. The agency outlined the risk of these so-called induced earthquakes, noting that Oklahoma City and the surrounding region face a 5 to 12% chance of damage from an earthquake in 2016. With earthquakes in the central and eastern United States, the ground is softer, so the seismic waves have a much farther travel distance than an earthquake in California or Nevada, said Robert Sanders, US geophysicist.